Welcome to the PEI Early Learning and Childcare Registry. This online tool provides families with an easy way to search and sign up for waiting lists of licensed early learning and childcare centers across PEI. This tutorial will guide you through the process of creating your account and registering your child to waiting lists. To create your account, click Sign Up in the main menu. Complete all required fields in the sign up form. Please ensure that you have access to your phone and email while on parental leave. Check the box to agree to the registry's terms and conditions and privacy policy and click Sign Up. You will then be directed to take a short survey. Your responses are anonymous and will help identify the types of childcare services required on Prince Edward Island. After completing the survey, check your email for an account verification link. Clicking on this link is the final step of the sign-up process. You can now log in through the main menu. Enter your username and password and click Login. This brings you to your account management area, where you can modify your child's details, add a new child, update your contact information, add an additional user, and change your password. To begin your childcare search, select Search in the main menu. Search centers by location and use the drop-down menus to narrow down your options. Your results will appear automatically on the map. Each icon color on the map represents a different center type. Clicking on an icon lets you view more information about a center. Scroll down to view the detailed list of search results below. Click Read More to view a center's page. This is where centers will share information about their philosophy, staff, programs, events, and more. Clicking back will return you to your search results. Once you've found a center you're interested in, click Apply to Center in the map or detailed list. Select the children you wish to apply, agree to the terms and conditions and privacy policy, and click Apply to Center again. A green message will appear to tell you that you have successfully added your child to the center's waiting list. Return to your account management area to confirm that the centers you applied to are listed under your child's name. You will also receive an email confirming your application, and each center will be notified that your child has joined their waiting list. Centers will contact you or your secondary contact when space is available for your child. Even if you accept an offer from a center, you can still stay on other waiting lists. To do this, log into your account and reactivate your applications. Tips: applying to as many centers as possible will increase your family's options. We encourage you to visit the centers to meet with the supervisors and staff to determine if the center is a good fit for your family. Remember to keep your account active by signing in at least once every 90 days. After 90 days of inactivity, your child will disappear from all waiting lists and centers won't be able to contact you if they have a space for your child. To reactivate your account, simply log in as usual and your child will return to the list in the exact same place. Please update your account if there are any changes to your childcare needs or contact information. If you have any questions, please contact info@ecdaofpei.ca or call 902-368-1879. Thank you for registering on Prince Edward Island's Early Learning and Childcare Registry.